Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today we have something quite exciting actually. I have been sent by my friend a perfume and she has sent me this one. It's by Pure Royal Perfume here and it's supposed to be a dupe for, so let me show you inside here. So it's in here. It is, and it's in the box like this. And this is supposed to be a dupe for Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. So I have the original and I have the dupe. So we're going to be testing these today and see if they really smell similar. I have a really nice message from her as well that I'm going to read you. Teresa says, "Hey chick, thank you so much for reviewing the perfume I have sent to you. These are the FM fragrances are inspired by real brands. If any of your followers purchase anything from me, they will get 10% off. So any perfumes that you want to buy off of my friend Leonie, you will actually get 10% off these perfumes, which is great. So if you quote Lauren when you are purchasing, you will get 10% off. So don't say I never get you guys anything, okay?" And she also says, "Again, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy your fragrance. Please give an honest review." From Leonie, which is really, really, really sweet. So I'm always out here trying to support people. And I think it's important as well that we all build each other up and not break each other down. With that said though, I will always be honest and I will tell you guys exactly what I think. So let's read a little bit about Pure Royal. I'm also going to link everything for Leonie's fragrance page on her Instagram and everything down below. So look in that comment bar down below. I'm going to link everything there. So yeah, I mean, give her a follow. Check her out. Basically, I'm looking on their website and it is a multi-level marketing company. So it works on different people reaching different sales. I would also like to say that I don't benefit financially from any sales that you guys make or purchase from them or from Leonie. I do not receive any money for this. So this will be 100% honest and I am not receiving any financial gain from this, just so you all know. But it is a multi-level marketing, and really for me, what I'm interested in is the fragrances and whether it smells the same. And I know a lot of people have a lot of opinions about multi-level marketing and things like this, and that's fine. But really, I'm here for the products, not for those opinions. Basically, the notes for Black Opium are: top notes are pink pepper and orange blossom. Heart notes are jasmine and coffee. Base notes, vanilla, patchouli and cedarwood. So let's find out. So initially, let's start with smelling. First of all, I'd like to say this bottle, how pretty is this bottle? And as well, look at the lid. It's honestly so gorgeous. It's really pretty packaging. Anyway, so upon the initial smelling, they smell honestly very, very similar. This is great. This is weird. Okay. Now, a perfume review is very hard because you can't smell it through the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray both of these. So what I'm going to do is the side with my bracelets, I'm going to spray the dupe, and the side with no bracelets, I'm going to spray the original. So I should probably swap hands with that. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to wear it for the day, and then I'm going to come back at the end of the day. I'm going to go out, I'm going to go to a park today and look at nature and things and just relax. Hopefully have an ice cream. So we're going to see how long they last as well. So let's do, I'm just going to do, I'll do like this. 1, 2. Ooh, that spritz is nice. Ooh, I can smell the... I don't understand how they do this because it's honestly crazy to me. How do they do this? How do they make it smell so similar? I can definitely smell orange blossom and pink pepper. The vanilla, I can definitely smell the patchouli. The cedar wood is there as well. Okay, now for that. This is the ultimate test, isn't it? And to be fair, we're going to do both. So we do... Ready? Oh, I missed my wrist. 1, 2. Is it crazy that I prefer the dupe? The dupe is almost sweeter. I am not kidding you guys. They smell identical. Identical. They smell literally the same. What is this? They smell literally the same. This is witchcraft. Oh my gosh. Initially, when you spray the original, the impact is like pow, and it's much stronger than the dupe. But literally a few seconds later, that intensity dies down and it smells identical. I can't believe this. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a little bit more on my wrist. And we'll see which one lasts longer. So we'll just do the same with this wrist. So we'll do 1, 2. Honestly, it smells the same. What the hell? It smells the same. It's literally identical. Oh my gosh. Will this be the way forwards? I don't know. I mean, gosh. You know what? I love a bougie perfume. The bougie bottle. You're feeling like you're flexing and you're like working in. And you're like, yeah, I got a fancy perfume and stuff. But if you can get the same perfume for less money, obviously no brainer, because this also means you could wear the same scent that you love that's really expensive all day, every day. You could wear it to work. You could wear it everywhere. And you would smell the same. And you could actually say to people, oh yeah, I'm wearing this. And they wouldn't know. How would they know? They would never know. What the hell? This is crazy. Okay. First impressions of Pure Royal Black Opium Dupe is a success. It smells exactly the same. I can't believe it. Honestly. Whoa! So nice. Let's get into price. She does a range of different sizes of these bottles. She does 15ml, 30ml, and a 50ml. I'm not sure if she does 100ml. I'm not sure. But I'm going to put all the prices here for you so you can see the cost of each ml size for the perfumes. And you can see they are such a good saving compared to the retail price. Such a good saving. So I'm going to go out now and I'm going to go and enjoy my day and things, and let's see how they wear. They smell the same. I don't understand these.
6 months later.
Okay, so we're back. So the time is about 5 o'clock and it's so hot outside. It's about 35 degrees. Girl, when I tell you that my makeup has melted off, it's melted off. I am looking a hot mess. Anyways, point is, it's 5 o'clock. I probably put these perfumes on like around 12 o'clock. So it's about 5 hours, 5.5 hours that I've been wearing them. And I can still smell the dupe perfume. I can smell the original as well, but I'm actually gonna honestly say that I can smell the dupe more. than the original. My final verdict of the perfume is I can still smell the perfume. It's not as strong. It just kind of, it's gone down to a sweet fragrance now. It's just gone down to a sweet fragrance. And I can still smell the original as well. I can still smell this. So basically 5 hours of wear time. It's amazing that I can still smell something. It smells different to when I first put it on, but it still smells the same. It doesn't smell the same. It smells like the same perfume, but just like it's dying down. So yeah, honestly, overall, I'm actually really impressed, and I actually want to try some different fragrances by this brand, Pure Royal. I would have to say this is a good alternative, an excellent dupe, especially like I was saying, for the price. You can wear it all day. You can wear it at work. You can even spray multiple times a day, and it's gonna last. So my experience with Pure Royal perfumes has been great. So thank you so much for sending this to me, Leonie. I really appreciate it. I'm going to enjoy this perfume. Thank you so much. And do you know what? They do other ones. They do a lot of oud fragrances. I really want to try the oud. And they also do the La Vie Belle. I love La Vie Belle. I only have this much left of my La Vie Belle, so possibly getting the Pure Royal one. Ooh, I might have found something new that I'm obsessed with. Anyways, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to subscribe, I would appreciate it. Stick around for some more content. And leave a comment down below. Give me a like. It helps me in the algorithm. And until next time, I will see you all very soon. Bye, my loves.